High Spire, Fire and EMS, Plymouth 100, KP car, 331.5 westbound, 331.5 westbound, gray Toyota Camry versus a tractor trailer blocking the left lane. CAD is 2692, 2692.
High Spire, Plymouth 100. We're going to need somebody out here pacing traffic. They're coming around the curve too fast.
I copy. I have everyone coming out to you.
4456 308, next to the injuries. Mile marker 331.4 westbound of the turnpike. 4456 308. Next to the injuries. Mile post 331.4 westbound of the turnpike between the Flint Hill Road Gate and Isabella Street Gate.
386. 386, okay, 29-year-old female with abdominal injuries.
County 386.
Your PF, it's some background there. Is out there. 29-year-old female, abdominal injuries.
Squaw 56 around.
Squaw 56, okay.
Ladder 56 with 5.
Okay, ladder 56.
Deputy 56 3 responding. Region 30.
Okay, deputy 56, right.
Chief 44, sir.
Chief 44, okay, 2 vehicle accident. Turnpike's out there requesting EMS, 29-year-old female, abdominal injuries.
Okay. 56, do not commit to the highway. Just stand by. Receive. Rescue 44, enter turnpike.
Okay, rescue 44.
Ladder 56, stage Michael Road.
Okay, ladder 56.
Squaw 56 staging, Valley Fork interchange.
Squaw 56, okay.
Chief 44 is getting knocked off the road westbound.
Chief 44, okay.
Everybody back here, please. Have EMS proceed to the scene. Copy.
Copy. Fire department heading in, try to hold traffic. EMS, if you can push up to the scene.
That's affirmative. We're going to have a fire truck block all the lanes for us here. They're pulling up on the Isabella Road.
Copy, 8260, do you copy that? 8260, copy. Units on the 331.5 westbound, stopping traffic, holding all traffic. High Spire, Plymouth 100. Just advising, KP15 is on scene. They're just hanging back on the straightaway. Just advise when you want them to push forward.
Yes, to hold all traffic. I have 2 tractor trailers, 100 yards up ahead in the left lane. One in the left, one in the right. You can come around the unit. You can come around the fire truck. You got to hold off traffic till we get this sorted out.
Just confirming, you're saying there's an additional tractor trailer in the left and right lane ahead of the crash site?
That's correct. I have one car in the left shoulder against the barrier, and I have a tractor trailer 100 yards up in the left lane against the barrier, and one in the right lane. The right shoulder, copy. Please dispatch a heavy to get his lanes open.
Yeah, I copy. So did 8260. Plymouth 100 from High Spire.
Wait a minute.
I know you said that there's 2 tractor trailers ahead. I know one needs towed. Is the other one clear?
The other one is on the shoulder.
Copy, one on the shoulder.
EVP is here.
Plymouth 100 from my side. I Spire Plymouth 100. Do we know if these are two separate crashes or one of the same? PD's inquiring. Plymouth 100 from High Spire.
Plymouth.
Is there anything we're going to be able to do about all that water in there?
I'm working on it. I'm trying to clear.
I copy, thank you.
High Spire Plymouth 42.
42.
I'm on the air. I'm on my way in. I'm going to give it to you. I'll call. Get up there.
Receive, thank you. You want me to see if Devil or Trios can start heading that way as well?
Now, do anybody on it? Like, High Spire Plymouth
100.
drain is unclogged. So as soon as we clear up there, we can let traffic through. Copy?
Good copy. 42 stated that he is on his way out. Other personnel to help.
Plymouth 101 now, High Spire. I'm going to be doing backlog right now. So I'm needed elsewhere. 332.4 west. 332.4 west. High Spire Plymouth 42.
42, go ahead.
High Spire Plymouth.
Plymouth 100. Plymouth 100, go ahead. Plymouth 42.
They got 3 crash trucks en route. With the personnel that are on site. They're currently stuck in the backlog, so they are working their way there. As soon as that traffic starts moving, they should be able to get up through there. Take that left and center lane for them.
That copy.
High Spire from 78.1. All fire units are clear of the crash westbound.
That copy. Did you guys get your CAD?
Just verifying 2692.
That's correct.
Yep, got it. Thank you.
Plymouth 100 from Plymouth 42. Michael, 101 here. We're looking at a good for you. Stand by. From Plymouth 42. Go ahead, 42. I don't think Plymouth 42 from 41. 42, Mike, they got the left and center lane still closed down. Traffic's moving in the right. They're cleaning up debris, I guess, from the accident, from the way it looks. Yeah, I heard that they were opening back up. I just want to get talk to George because he has eyes right there. I want to see what strain we're talking about.